Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to deploy a React application onto Google Cloud Platform. There are many options available. There's Microsoft Azure, there is Amazon Web Services, but today, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to deploy a React application onto Google Cloud Platform. In this case, I'm just going to be using a sample React app, so it's going to be nothing big. But for all the React applications you have, or for any kind of application for that matter, you can use this. You can follow this tutorial and deploy your application onto cloud. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a Google Cloud Platform account. So for those of you that have a Google account, that's going to be enough. So if you have a Google account, just navigate to Google Cloud Platform and just log in, and this is the screen that you're going to see. So what I've done is I've created a React app, a sample React app. I already have a sample React app installed. I follow this, it's a mini thing. So you just run npx create React app and give it a folder name. That's what I used. So you can use your React application, or you can use this as well. So I've actually created it on my desktop, the sample React app. So I'm going to navigate to that on VS Code, and I'm going to navigate to the folder. So cd my app. So now that I'm in the folder, you can see that I can show you. I'm going to run the program on localhost. So I'm just going to show you guys what it is. Just a quick thing. So run npm start, and let's see what happens. So yeah, as you can see, this is the application, just a simple app. I'm going to be deploying this onto cloud, but if you're using any other kind of app, a more complex one, the process is just the same. So just follow along. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your folder where the application is contained, and you're going to want to build the application. So for your application to go onto cloud, it must be built first. So I'm going to navigate, it's already navigating to the folder. I'm going to just run npm run build. So this is the first step. So the app is going to get built, and a new folder will be created, build folder, and we're going to be deploying that folder onto the Google Cloud. Yeah, so the build is finished, and once the build is finished, we're going to want to deploy this build folder onto the Google Cloud. So the next step is you're going to have to go to Google Cloud Platform. You're going to have to make an account if you don't have one, and just navigate. After you sign in, you navigate to the console. So once you're on the main screen in the Google Cloud Platform, you're going to click the navigation menu and navigate down to storage. So once you find storage, just give it a click. And then you're going to see this. So you're going to have to create a bucket before actually deploying the application. So go ahead and click create bucket. And you're going to have to give it some configurations. So for here, I'm just going to give it a sample React app. And then click continue. And choose where to store your data. So for location type, I've given it as multi-region. So just go ahead with the basics. And choose a default storage class for your data. Again, I've given it standard. And then just don't bother with any of these. These are all just automatically set up, so you can just go ahead and then click create. So now once your bucket has been created, you're ready to begin uploading. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to upload a folder. You're going to want to upload your entire build folder onto Google Cloud. So navigate to where your application is. So in this case, my case is desktop in my app. So you click the entire build folder. So you click the build folder and you click upload. So, and then it asks you for verification. Just click upload. And 18 files for now. And they're getting uploaded. So it depends on your application. Some applications have a lot. I've worked on ones which have 600, 700. So just give it some time to upload. So once the build application has been uploaded, once the build folder has been uploaded, what you're gonna want to do is create a YAML file. So app.yaml is a file which actually gives your build folder or your deployed app its configurations and routes. So if a user logs on or if a user accesses the website, the application needs to know to what pages the user needs to be routed to. So you're gonna have to create a app.yaml file. So I have a sample one here. So this is the app.yaml file. So basically what it does, it tells users, it tells the Google App Engine, Google Cloud Engine where to navigate or route users to. So just copy whatever is in here if you can't access it. So just take this into consideration and just copy all of this. And yeah, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to just create, go to your, for now, to make it easy, I'm going to go to my application. And inside my app, I'm going to create a app.yaml file. So go to your VS Code inside my app. So I'm just going to create a app.yaml file. App.yaml. So inside that, I'm going to paste all this in. This is really important. So yeah, for most programs, this is just the same. So just paste this in here. Runtime is Node.js 10, yep. And yeah, so after that, we're going to want to go back to the Google Cloud and upload the app.yaml file. So click upload files and app.yaml. So yeah, just give it an upload, just upload it and give it some time and we are done here. So yeah, guys, once you've uploaded the app.yaml file, what you're going to want to do is go on to open the Google Shell. So you're going to have to activate the Google Cloud Shell in order to actually configure all the routes and deploy it. Just give it a final deploy. So just click on this activate Cloud Shell. I've actually opened another site and I'm going to be giving the link in the description below, and this tells you the final stages. Yeah, the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your cloud platform project if it hasn't actually been navigated yet. For some of you, it would have actually gone to the project, but for me, in this case, it hasn't actually navigated, so I'm going to have to set it myself. So gcloud config set project and the project ID. So if you want the project ID, just click this and you get the project ID over here. So React app-257111. React app-257111. So I am inside the project. Now what I want to do is I'm going to have to make a directory. So I'm going to have to make a directories to put all my build folder in and then deploy it finally. So just type make the and give it a name. In this case, I'm just going to give it as React app. Okay. So now that we've navigated inside the project, we're going to have to go onto the link that I've given you below. You're going to have to go onto the link that I've provided in the description below and just copy this. So the directory you just made, you're going to have to copy everything that's inside the build folder. It's going to synchronize everything and copy it inside that. So just copy that, and yeah, before I paste it, I'm going to have to edit it a bit. So in place of this comes your project name. So in my case, it's sample React app, sample React app, your bucket name, and in place of this comes the directory you just made. So in my case, it was React-app. So yeah, just copy this and paste it here, and we should be good to go. Yeah, building synchronization state, so it goes through everything and just adds everything. Yeah, it's just copying everything, so give it some time. So yeah, once that has finished synchronizing, what you're going to want to do is we're just reaching the final stages. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have to navigate onto the folder that you just created. So just cd to the name of your directory that you just made. So in my case, it's React-app. So once you're inside there, you're gonna want to run gcloud app deploy. So yeah, so as you can see in this tutorial, it says here gcloud app deploy. So you're just gonna have to run this inside the shell. So and then it asks you for a number of choices. So I'm just gonna give it default choices, number 1, and then it creates your app engine, and just give it some time and it uploads everything. Do you want to continue? Yes. Uploading 19 files, okay. File upload done, okay. And just give it some time. Okay, so the app deployment is done now, and it gives you the site that you need to log on to if you want to view your application. So yeah, that is all. Just if you want to check it out, just copy this and paste it here, and voila, we get our React application on Google Cloud Platform. So yeah, this is how you deploy a React application onto Google Cloud. It works well for most applications, or if not all. So the process is just really the same for everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care.